by the way you stare.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, before y'all get me, I know it's been a little bit, okay? But in my defense, I have been feeling a little under the weather, but we here now. So let's not bring up old news, okay? I know that I owe y'all a final reveal of my luxury bedroom makeover, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all have seen me upcycle furniture, you've seen me wallpaper some walls, okay? Do a little bit of organization and play with some lights. And now I feel like we are done. And the room is chef's kiss, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tour. Okay, you guys, so the time has finally come to do the final reveal. I am so excited, y'all. I love how this came out. So let's go ahead and get into everything. Let's start with this bench. I actually bought this bench years ago, and I got it from eBay. And this was a dupe of something that I saw. I don't know, it could have been CB2, it could have been, I don't know. But I saw this bench on eBay of all places, and I had never purchased anything from eBay before. And I was like, you know what? Let me take a chance and get it. And I love the way that it came. Like, I loved it. Literally fell in love with it. So this is like a velvet, just like really curved type of bench. I like specifically wanted this bench because I wanted to complement the curves that I have going on with just some of the elements within my room, and I think it does that perfectly. Next is the bed, y'all. This was my very first purchase. This was my faith purchase, okay? I purchased the bed before I even purchased this house. And so this bed is very special to me because literally several weeks later after I purchased the bed, I ended up closing on my house. So super excited for that. I love just like the color of it. It's taupe, and I love the texture. It's almost like a modern take on an upholstered bed. So I'm gonna link everything down below in the description, but I love the bed. And then in terms of the bedding, honestly, I was toying with the idea of like doing the most, and I opted to kind of just keep it kind of simple. I believe I got the comforter from probably like a TJ Maxx or Ross, something like that. I like the texture of the comforter and the lines. And then this little number right here came from Target. That's like an old purchase. The pillows are from all over. So don't even know like where the pillows came from. And then this blanket was gifted to me, and I thought that just like the colors kind of tied in. Like I like the kind of dark chocolate brown to kind of tie in like the taupe and then like the beige. Like I just like the color scheme that we have going on. So let's talk about the paintings. The paintings I created, I do not have video of that. This was just like something quick and easy, using, I don't know, I already had these canvases. I have a lot of art supplies here. So I was just like, let me just, utilize that. And then the lighting, y'all, I'm absolutely obsessed with the lighting. The wall sconces I got from Amazon, and they're rechargeable. So, you know, they're battery operated, or sorry, not battery operated, remote operated, but they're rechargeable. So I can recharge them when they get dim and plug them back. They were super easy to install, did it myself. These lamps came from HomeSense, and it's a night light. So I'll show just like a picture of what it looks like when it's lit. Really love it. I like the marble base of it. I think it complements the wallpaper nicely, and it just adds just more brightness to the space when I light it at night. The nightstands, y'all, we kind of talked about this, and I'll take you guys to this side. All of the furniture was upcycled, so these nightstands were gifted to me, and I believe they came from Amazon. And then this dresser over here actually came from IKEA, so it's the infamous IKEA dresser. And I ended up adding pill and stick wallpaper to the look of it. just to kind of give it a custom color, because I did not want white furniture. I did not want black furniture, but I wanted almost like it kind of gives like a hint of gray, like that light gray color to match the bed, like the taupe of the bed. So I wanted like this custom furniture look. And so I got the pulls, pill and stick wallpaper, and I literally, these did not come together. This was white, this was black, two different stores, but now it looks like a complete set. So I really love how the furniture kind of came out, and it was an upcycle way. Like, instead of me going out and purchasing new furniture, I was just like, you know what, I could hold on to this a little bit longer. So this area over here, I really like. I was still trying to figure out how to really style this, because I wanted my dresser to be functional. I didn't want it to just only have like coffee table books or whatever. Like, I actually do use this space to kind of put on my jewelry and things, and I do read, so I have some of my just most read books that I use like every day. This mirror came from HomeSense, and I really do love it. It's big, so it's 40 inches by 40 inches, and I had a circle mirror over here before. It was white and it was smaller, so this was just a lot bigger to kind of spruce up the space. I added some butterflies. I actually had the butterflies over here, and I ended up spray painting them gold. I love butterflies. They are my favorite animal, so I do have them sprinkled throughout my room. I really love the IKEA display shelves here. I think that they just give the room just like this luxe feel, y'all. Like, it just feels it just really gives it like a luxury hotel type of boutique vibe. So I really do love how these the shelves came out, and I decided to just merchandise them with a lot of my small bags. So these are actually the bags that I wear the most often. I love small bags, have them in different colors here. And then I just threw some heels at the bottom just to kind of, again, give it that elevated type of look, y'all. But these are some of my favorite bags that I have. I think she's my fave right now. Coach, yeah. Whoever is over there at Coach, like, y'all are doing the damn thing, okay? Because Coach is showing out right now. And then in the nightstand, I kind of have on both sides, they're the same. These decorative boxes, which I've seen in one of my boxes. This is where I keep all my remotes. So I was like, this is cute. This is just a really cute way to kind of just store it, because before my remotes were everywhere. So I was like, let me find a place to store it. And so yeah, so that is this side. Over here, this chair, this accent chair came from Amazon. I actually had this chair in my office as well. So I just actually purchased another one just so I could have two sets, because I was like, it doesn't make sense in me having all these single accent chairs. So if, I move in the future, I actually have a set. So I just went and got this one. Again, the pillows kind of came from all over. These curtains I really love. They're good. I got these from Amazon. They're so good. These were one of my first buys for the room. And I just like the contrast that it gives to the bed. So I got it to match the bed. They're taupe. And they're so good. And then I just have sheer in between the curtains just to kind of give this some space. But the window treatment makes the room look super big. Like, just super big. Like, I have a very large window, and I love natural light, so it's perfect. The wallpaper, you all have seen me putting the wallpaper up. I really do like the way it came out. I was a little nervous because when I first got the paper, it did seem to be like the same size as, or the same color as the wall itself, but you can see there is a distinct contrast. Like, it is not the same, and this paper does in fact add a little bit of warmth to the room. And then also it just kind of looks like, to me it's like concrete, but it's almost like a metallic concrete. Like if I go up close, you guys can kind of see there's like this metallic type of look and feel to it, which I think it complements the gold very nicely. But then it does like just complement the overall room. So all right, in this corner, this is a painting that I created myself. Yeah, just had kind of this canvas lying around and found inspiration on Pinterest, added a little bit of glitter, and voila. And then this mirror here is so beautiful. This mirror came from Sam's Club, actually. This is like an Anthropologie dupe. I believe this mirror was like $150, so it was definitely not as expensive as Anthropologie. And then again, spray painted my butterflies, put them on top. I love butterflies so much, and I was like, okay, I feel like something needed to be on top, just to get over that space. Last but not least, this is the TV area. So my TV is mounted. There's not a whole lot going on over here. Yes, I do have a mini fridge because my penthouse suite, master suite, is on the 4th level of my house. So at night, as you can imagine, when I get thirsty, I am not walking all the way down 2 flights of steps just to go to the refrigerator. So I do have some waters and, ice cream, but that's pretty much all that I have in there. And then I did get this fan. Unfortunately, this room does not have any like ceiling fixtures, and I just was not going to pay anybody to cut a hole in the ceiling and add it in. So I just got a fan. And then yeah, I do occasionally do some arm workouts as well. So that's it, y'all. This is the space. I really like how it came out. I love coming up the steps every night and walking into this room. It just looks so grand. So yeah, hope you all like this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. How did I do with the transformation? And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.